Kashmir took place on 5th August. Unilaterally, they cast aside the UN Security Council resolution, the Simla Accord, which was bilateral between us, their own constitution, Article 370. And that's when, where you said, you know, I said all those things, that's when I have said that this is an agenda. This is an RSS agenda which they are following. And I'm afraid, I worry now where we are, where the two countries are. That's why before that I asked President Trump to intervene and play a role in this. Because whenever we ask for other countries, United Nations to help, India says it's a bilateral issue. When we try to talk to them, they said there's nothing to talk about. So it's very important. It's two nuclear-armed countries facing each other like this incident happened in February. I, as the Prime Minister of a country, am saying that anything can happen in such situations. You don't know what can happen. We should never be in this situation. That's why I will be speaking in UN. I would want the United Nations to play a role. This is why the United Nations came into being.